Hey guys, I made these tires out of TPU and wanted to show them to you in this video. The whole tire is 3D printed and it also bounces a bit, as you can see. The tires are made of TPU and the rims are made of PLA+. Link in the video description. It is important that the parts that should give way are made as thin as possible. I made them 0.5 mm, but one a little thinner couldn't hurt. The program is Autocat, and as you can see, the tires have little friction. As a lubricant, I used ordinary hand cream. I left these holes free on the rim. This makes it easy to attach. That's it from me. Like the video if you liked it.